Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, students, you live with your parents, and I think your uncle, aunt, or your other relatives, they may not be living with you. So, how do you come to know whether they are fine or not? Yes, give me the answer. Yeah, very good. Good answer. You make call to them. Yes, you call them, you talk to them, and then you come to know whether they are okay or not. Is it so? Yeah, it is so. We also do the same. But do you know when the phones were not there, and how do we come to know about our relatives? How do we communicate with them? Yes, at that time, people used to write letters and postcards to their relatives so that they come to know whether they are okay or not, or if they are in any need. So now also many times we have to write the letter to our friends, to our relatives, so that we can explain our feelings, we can come to know about them. So we must know how to write the letter. Yes. So today we are going to discuss about the format and how to write the personal letter. Personal letter that we are writing to our relatives. It may be our father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, and it may be our friend also. So today we are going to discuss about personal letters. So students, every one of us is required to write letters to our relatives, friends or others. So it is therefore very important that we cultivate the art of letter writing. So see, first of all, kinds of letter. One page is there. So you please see it carefully. See on the top. It is written kinds of letters. See, the following are the main kinds of the letters, and they are personal letter, letters of application, business letter, and official letters. So they are personal letters, letters of applications, business letter, and official letters. So first of all, let us see what are the parts of a letter. What are the parts of a letter? See here. Every letter has the following 6 parts. So how many parts are there? 6 parts are there. So see, number 1, it is the heading. Then second, the salutation. One by one I will explain all these. First you see the names. First is the heading, second the salutation, the greeting or the beginning, third one the body of the letter, fourth the subscription or the ending, 5 number the signature or the writer's name, 6 number the subscription or address on the envelope of the postcard. Okay, so these 6 are the parts of a letter. Now let us see layout of a personal letter. Layout means how to write a letter. What is the format of writing a letter? See on the next page, let me show you. See upside. See upside, it is written format of personal letter. Format or layout of a personal letter. See on the top what is written. On the left side it is heading. And what is written in the heading? In heading it is the address of the writer, self address. If I am writing letter to my friend, then I will write the address on the top. Clear to everyone? In heading, my address will be there because I am writing letter to my friend. Then my address and date. Okay. Then the second number is salutation. Salutation means to whom I am writing the letter. Just as here it is written, my dear father, means the letter is written to father. It may be my dear friend, it may be dear friend, dear uncle, dear aunt, it may be any. It is called salutation. What is the name of it? It's salutation. Now, then the next one come, it's the body of the letter. It is body of the letter. In body of the letter, we have to write all the details why we are writing the letter. Then next come in the last, it is subscription. Subscription. What is there? It is subscription. And in subscription, it is written yours affectionately, yours lovingly. Okay, because we are writing letter to our relatives, so we will write yours lovingly, yours affectionately. And then downside signature of the writer who is writing the letter. If I am writing the letter, I will put my signature. If you are writing the letter, you will put your signature. So clear to everyone? This is the format of a personal letter. What is this? Format of a personal letter. So let us describe all these things one by one. What are they? We have seen the format of the letter. Now come again on the same page. The first one is the heading. The outline on the next page that we have seen shows the parts of a letter and their proper arrangement in the case of a personal letter. Let us discuss these parts one by one. So first of all, whose turn it's the turn of heading. The heading. It consists of writer's address and the date on which the letter is written. It's very much clear. Writer's address means who is writing the letter, whose address will be on the top, and then along with date. These are written at the top left hand corner of the first page of the letter, the number of the residence and the name of the street or bazaar, and written in the first line. The name of the town is written in the second line and the date is written below the address. Okay, clear? First of all, street, house number, then city, then date. Okay, then come. See, the note is written. The date may be written in any of the following ways. See the ways how to write the date. It is 5 June 20, 5th June 2020, June 5 2020, June 5th 2020. So which format we follow in our school? I have make a tick here. 5 June 2020, 5 June 2020. We follow this format. Okay? Clear to everyone? Okay. Now come on the second page. See here. The layout of the personal letter that we have read it, we have seen it. Now see, second part is written downside. The salutation. The salutation. So it is the formal way of beginning a letter. Salutation means to whom we are writing the letter. It is written a little below the date and on the left hand side of the letter, its first and the last word begins with a capital letter. For example, see, note the following forms of salutation used for different people. Elder relatives. My dear father, dear mother, dear uncle, or we can say dear father. If two words are there only, then both letters are capital. Dear and mother, D or M both are capital. Dear uncle, D and U both are capital. But when three words are there in salutation, just as my dear father, so second will be small. My dear father. See here carefully. My M capital, dear D small, and father F, it is third one, so it will be capital. If two are there, then both capital. If three are there, then second number is small, and first and third will be capital. Okay. Now younger relatives. My dear Sashi, dear Radha, dear Vinod, etc. Then friends, my dear Anil, my dear Geeta, my dear Kapoor, or we can write simple, dear Anil, dear Geeta, dear Kapoor. Okay? Yeah. Now come on the third number, that is the body of the letter. Body of the letter. It contains the message of the letter. Means what message we want to give to our relative, to our father, to our mother, to our friend. It may be any. So what is the message that we want to give? So the following hints are useful for writing a personal letter. So what are they? Divide the message into different parts. Each paragraph dealing with a separate idea. However, there should be unity of ideas among the different paragraphs. Okay. Now, see next page. See here. Then second one, we have to use the simple and familiar language. Simple and familiar language. The language should be very much simple and it should be familiar, that the person to whom we are writing the letter, he can understand easily. Okay. Now, the construction of the words such as haven't or have not in personal letters make the style natural. Haven't, isn't, such type of contraction forms. The subscription, number 4 is the subscription. Subscription we have understood earlier also, that when we are to write the downside, we are going to finish our letter, then we write subscription. It follows immediately the body of the letter and is written on the left hand side of the letter, and it begins with a capital letter. For example, if we are writing to relatives, then your affectionate son, your loving son, or your affectionately, yours lovingly. If we are writing to friend, your sincere friend, yours sincerely. Okay. Then 5 number, the signature. The signature comes below the subscription, means downside the name of the writer in his or her on hand. Then the 6th is given the super subscription. The super subscription is written only on the envelope in the case of personal letter. Here the address where we are going to post the letter and the postage stamp. Okay, clear to everyone? So we have discussed the format of the personal letter. See on the top, it is heading, then salutation, then body, subscription and signature. I think it's clear to you, and all the students will make the layout of the personal letter in their notebooks, and they will make it, and then they continue the letter writing. Okay, bye students, it's bye for today.